Montgomery, Alabama, 1955. On the surface, a typical city. But beneath, a system of segregation was about to face its greatest challenge. On December 1st, a seamstress named Rosa Parks boarded a city bus, seeking only a quiet ride home after a long day's work. As the bus filled, the driver ordered Rosa to give up her seat for a white passenger. The air inside the bus grew heavy. With a quiet dignity that would echo through history, Rosa Parks simply said, "No." It was a refusal that would change the world. Her arrest was the spark. The gravity of this moment shifted the focus from a single act of defiance to a collective movement. The next morning, the city's buses ran empty. A massive boycott had begun as the African American community stood together in silence. Men, women, and children walked miles through the streets, choosing dignity over the convenience of a segregated transit system. From early dawn to late evening, they marched. Carpools were organized, and the spirit of resistance grew stronger with every step taken. In the heart of the mobilization, a young and charismatic minister named Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. stepped forward to lead. Standing at the pulpit, his powerful voice called for justice through nonviolence, inspiring thousands to stay the course despite the pressure. For 381 days, the community persevered, proving that unity and sacrifice could dismantle the walls of institutionalized racism. Victory finally came. The Supreme Court ruled bus segregation unconstitutional. The buses were integrated, and a new era began. Rosa Parks and Dr. King transformed a local protest into a national movement, forever changing the fabric of American democracy.